Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. So in this simple video I'm going to show you how you can turn your video into smooth slow motion video. Okay, so first open the Capcut PC apps and select your video that you want to edit. For example, I already have one video here, and to make smooth slow motion you are just going to click the clip and select the speed at the right. So in the times option, you are just going to swipe to the left to make a video slow down. Okay, so appears the smooth slow-mo option at the bottom. So just turn on it, and you can select for the mode of smooth slow-mo, which is there are frame blending or optical flow. So I'm going to select optical flow to make better quality. So it's processing, just adjust wait. Okay, and as you can see the smooth slow motion has been added to the video. Okay, that's it. I hope this simple tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. So thank you so much for watching.